My grandma Martha loves collecting old copper pots and molds from thrift stores and yard sales. She wound up with hundreds of pieces, gifting some to others and to me, and then using some herself, like these copper molds here that hung on the wall in her kitchen for decorations. I watched my grandma prep food in these copper bowls right here. And to this day, she uses the same set of copper-based cookware that she's had for over 40 years. No cookware heats as evenly as copper, and that's why cooks love it. Copper pots have been around for more than 3,000 years, and though they're beautiful, you have to be careful cooking in them. Make sure your copper piece is lined with a food-safe metal like tin or stainless steel. Stainless steel and tin provide a safe barrier for food, while the copper exterior gives the pot excellent heat conductivity. If your pan is unlined, acidic ingredients like tomatoes and lemons can interact with the copper and cause it to release into your food, and too much copper in the body can be harmful. With tin, be sure to inspect your older pieces like this one to make sure that the tin hasn't worn off in places. That's the problem with tin, and it happens over time. If you see a copper piece in a thrift store or yard sale, you might want to snag it because they're gorgeous for fall decorations. Copper pieces look wonderful on small coffee tables. You can use them for little artificial flower arrangements or artificial greenery, hung on walls, or perched on top of a stack of books.